Hello friends, welcome to MonkeyArt! Today we are going to draw a yummy pineapple, and we're gonna use some color markers, also one piece of paper and one rocket marker for the drawing parts. So let's get started and draw a cute and beautiful pineapple. So we're gonna make an oval shape for its main body, and we can put some dots, let's say here, then here, and on the side something like that. So it's gonna go oval. Okay, let's start with that part. So we're gonna go from here to here, and then go all the way down to this little dot. And then let's do the same thing on this side. We're going here, and then we're gonna go down just like that. So we have something like this circle. Next thing we're gonna do is to create a cute little mouth somewhere in the middle, just like this. We can also add tongue. And now let's create cute little, or actually big eyes for our little pineapple. Okay, we're gonna go up, down, and finish it with a curve. So we go up, down, curve at the bottom. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna put some smaller circles inside, just like this. Okay, we're gonna make a circle kind of a shape all the way around, just like that. And now we can maybe add that little line at the bottom and color all around, just to see how it will look. I think it should be really cute, but let's check it out. So yeah, we can leave that little line for now, and let's make here the same thing. So we are making cute eyes, just like that. Cool. Okay, next thing is creating the top parts, like those leaves. So we can put a little dot just to know where we're gonna finish, and just need to make triangles just like that. I'm gonna make one here, then one here, a lot of triangles. Let's make another one here, and you can draw them as you like. They don't have to be precise. Let's add maybe some curve shapes at the top, just like that. Then we can add some more here. Simple as that. And maybe add a few more, just like that. So it looks like pineapple. Cool. Next thing we're gonna do is to make some kind of leaves for his hands, just like this. You can draw this as you like. I'm gonna just draw it like that. You can even draw real hands if you like. And do you like eating pineapple? It's yummy and it's healthy as well. Okay, now let's go and add. You can also add some cute feet at the bottom, like that. Nice, super cute. And what's your favorite fruit? Mine is, I love strawberries. I love peach juice. Okay, let's use this. Actually, I'm gonna use this pink. Make some circles here to make it even more cute. Just like that. Now we're gonna color in using our, what's this color? Oh, it's yellow. And we're gonna color the whole body. Just like that. And around the mouth. What juice fruit do you like? How about apple juice? Or strawberry juice? Or peach juice? Or pineapple juice? That's really delicious. And you can also make super yummy cakes using pineapple. Okay, next thing is to use a little green, and this is light green. So I'm gonna color top parts this light green, and then I'm gonna use darker green for the other parts. Light green, just like that. Okay, and maybe here as well, and here. Now we can use a little bit darker green and color the rest. Okay, I'm gonna use the thicker parts. And color it all the way around. Cool, and let's finish this part. And this one. Cool, it's looking really cute. And now, oh yeah, we also need to color its hands. So I'm gonna also use, maybe I'm gonna use just light green for this part. And this one maybe as well. And maybe just add some shades here, like that. Just like that. It's cool. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to add some spikes. So as well we can color first down, just like that. Now let's add those spikes. So we're gonna need a little bit darker yellow, or you can use orange. And we just need to draw triangles, just like this. Triangle there, triangle here, triangle everywhere, just like that. And it's gonna look like a pineapple. Let's add a few more at the bottom. There we go, it's looking super cute. And we can also add, using this little crayon, maybe some blue at the top of the pupils to make it look shiny, just like that. Okay. We've finished those parts, and maybe you can add a few more of these. Maybe here one, just like that. So it really looks like a pineapple. And there we go, guys. We have almost finished our little pineapple character, and now we're finished. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me, and feel free to leave some comments below. Let's add one heart, because we love our little pineapple. So cute and yummy. And check mark, because it's completed. Good job, guys. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.